wooden coffee stirring stick packing machine. Welcome to our channel. This is BESTA Machine China. We wish to introduce you our latest coffee stirring stick packing machine. For this packing machine, it is cursor positioning type. It is positioning according to the cursor point and then do the cutting. It can meet different sizes of the product packing. This machine should be worked with air compressor. This is the heating area. This is the coffee stirring stick loading area. You can set the packing length in the screen. This is the temperature controller. This is our machine packing photo. After packing, Okay, after you started the LCD you can shift into English version and also press parameter setting. This packing length is set according to your product length. If you will pack 180, so you also need to reset the packing length here. For this packing machine, it has two working modes. Type 1, set the packing length according to the product length. You can do the setting by yourself. Type 2, it is by cursor positioning mode. It is cut according to the cursor positioning point on the packing paper. Type 1, set according to the product length. For the coffee stirring stick, the product length is 140 mm. The packing length we can set according to what we need. For example, 170 mm, 175 mm. We can do the packing length setting in the screen. And another mode is the cursor positioning mode. For the packing paper itself, it should have a cursor positioning point. It will remind the machine to do the cutting according to the cursor positioning point. It is easy for the machine to distinguish the cutting place. BESTA Machine China is a professional machine supplier. We have more than 25 years history in machine manufacturing and also exporting. We also have our own import and export company. We have already established a cooperation with customers from more than 35 countries. Don't hesitate to contact us. This is our company website. Welcome to email us. Welcome to add our WhatsApp. If you wish to know more information about this machine, don't hesitate to contact us. We can also provide you customized service. Welcome to email us or WhatsApp us. Our machines are with high quality and our service is professional. Welcome to email us. Welcome to visit China. Choose BESTA Machine, choose professional. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thank you for your kind watching.